The secret is when you jump, reach as high as you can to the knot, which puts you off balance. So as you're jumping out, you grab that highest knot and you'll get more air.
Oh.
And you'll get actually quite a bit of air. That was good. That was a good one.
Yeah. Woo, it's chilly. Look at this place. Totally still river and a rope swing in the middle of the desert. What? It's pretty epic, just so peaceful. The water, it's chilly, but it's amazing. But the location is a secret. It's not really open to the public, so shitty. Watch this. I did it! Kinda! I can't do a backflip. I don't need to hear about it.